for problem number 16, we're back to square root. So I'm gonna change this to the square root of 36 times the square root of x times the square root of y squared. We're going to try something a little different. What we're going to do is remember that 6 squared is the same as 36. So I can rewrite this as the square root of 6 squared times the square root of x times the square root of y squared. Now remember, when we just say the square root of something, smiley face, whatever it is, that's the same as the index as being 2, right? So we never write the 2 down, but it's there. So we can imagine that there's a little 2 right there. That means that we're taking the square root. Now, like I said on the last problem, this undoes the squaring. So if you take the square root of a square, they're inverse operations of one another. So anything that's squared under a square root symbol is the base itself. So I'm going to have 6 times the square root of x times y. Now, we want to take all the stuff under the square root symbol and put that on the end. In other words, I'm going to say 6 times y times the square root of x. That is the answer.